Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add audio track in your YouTube video. So first, open YouTube in your browser. Tap on your profile icon. Then tap on YouTube Studio. Click on the subtitle options right over here. Select your video. Tap on it. Add language button. Then select whichever language you want to add. Suppose I want to add English, so tap on English. Now under the subtitle option, tap on the pen tool. From here you will find three options: upload file, auto sync and type manually. By uploading file, you can add audio track in your YouTube video. So that's it for today's video. If this helps, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.